Hello viewers, here I am again with one more interesting intraday trading video. In this video, we'll talk about how effectively we can use this current strategy to do intraday trading and be profitable. So this strategy is about money flow index. So for this, we have to open any of the charts and then go to the indicators here and then search for an indicator called as money flow index. So you click here, you can see a small graph here added bottom of the chart. So what we have to do is you have to change the settings from 50 to 50. How does this strategy work? So for this, so what you can do is you have to see the direction of the money flow index. If you can see today being 17th of February and this is the first candle, and if you can see the money, even though it started here, I think there is a downtrend clearly visible by seeing this graph. And then it took a pause here and then it changed directions here. So once you see an uptake, and because this happens to be at the bottom end of the this span, so you can enter somewhere here. So you can enter because once you see there is a small turn and then we are at the bottom of the chart, we can buy somewhere here in this between these three candles, and then you have to constantly see the money flow index how it is going. It again took a U-turn here, came down, and then just went up again, came down again, and then if it is breaking this low, and maybe you can exit here. So in this case, you can place a stop loss here somewhere here, just to be sure. You can put a stop loss somewhere here because you have entered it here. Just have a little buffer, put it at around let's say 535. 535 is a whole number, so you can put it at 535. So you have bought it here, and then you have to constantly monitor this graph. So and here if you see that the graph takes off, I think it's going up, made a higher high and then higher low and again higher high, and then consolidated a little here in this area, and then again. But if you can see, even though it has consolidated, I think it never broke the low of here, so it never broke. So again, it again took a Newton here and then started going up, then started going up. So then started going up, again came down. So again started going up. So once it breaks here, I think maybe because it's reaching the higher end, if it is more than 75, I think maybe you can book somewhere here. Once it reaches a high and then it takes a U-turn here, you can book somewhere here. So which is a decent of profit. So that means you have entered somewhere at 25.40 and then you have exited around 25.90, which is like 50 points. So if you're doing it in futures, that's a big profit. Even if you're doing it intraday with a 200 or 300 quantity, that's a good enough profit. So it works on all time frames. So let us see some examples, whether the strategy is worth taking or not. So let us go to Jubilant Food. Again, because we are doing it in an intraday level, so we have to make sure that the time frame is 5 minutes. So again, this is the first candle. You can see it opened and then it started going down. So when it's going down in a clear trend, I think we should never enter. So maybe you can have a look here whether we can see whether it will go up or not. So then again, it took a U-turn here. So if you can carefully observe, I think you can have a small trend line like this here. Uh, so let this be broken. So if you see there, I think it made a low here somewhere to the bottom and then it started moving up. So just to be sure it doesn't take a U-turn from here, just to be sure, wait for this trend line to be broken on the upside. So then you can enter. So once this trend line is broken somewhere here, the money flow index is already over 30, 35. So maybe you can enter somewhere here in this candle and carefully maybe even have a stop loss somewhere here, just to have a small buffer, and then see that it made a high here and then it drastically have taken U-turn. Uh, so once you see a drastic move, maybe you can exit somewhere here just to be sure. If not, I think maybe because you anyway have a stop loss here, so make sure that you have a stop loss here. Just carefully observe the money flow index. It doesn't get lower than this. So instead of putting a stop loss, even you can watch this money flow index. So again, it takes a U-turn here and then it went again here. So it's a double top kind of a thing. So maybe once you have a double top, maybe you can book your profits here. So it's again 2876 to 28 2900. So it's close to 24 points. 24 points is again with futures. I think that's a good profit. So let us see how this works on the sell side. Let us take HDFC Bank today. So it started going down. It started going down. It's still, I think there is still. So you can think of buying here, and then again because this is a lower high. So if you can clearly see that this high was never taken and this high was never taken. So you could have shorted any of because you could have shorted anywhere here. So because this is already this was yesterday and today's candle, I think this is where we got where it didn't open here. So I think this is an ideal place where we can start where we can think of shorting HDFC Bank. So we can short here, you can short here, and then we can have a stop loss somewhere here because there is a small gap here. So you should have a stop loss here, and then if you have shorted it here, uh, so once it touches the bottom and then takes a U-turn, so that's when you can think of closing the trade. But however, even though the money flow index has started rising again, the prices did not go up. So so once you're here, I think you can revise your stop loss to I mean today's first candle's high to here, and then so again if you can see there it's a lower high. So again it came down. The money flow is coming down. So you keep revising. You can use a trailing mechanism here. Again, this is a lower high. So like that, I think if you could have waited, I think you could have exited somewhere here. So that's again like 1619 to 1588. Like it's almost like 20 points, 25 points of profit. So it works on any. I mean, even it works on Nifty also. Just cross check. If you can see, today is 17th again. So this is at a 75, and then it started coming down, and then it consolidated a little here, and then went up again here. It broke the day's high in terms of the money index, and then it started to come down again, and then made a double top kind of a thing. And then maybe this is where you could have shorted. So if you have shorted it here somewhere, even the money flow has making a double top. I think that the price have not has not making. So even though the money flow index has making a double top kind of a thing, the price has not made the double top. So you could, if you have shorted somewhere here on seeing the double top and then the direction is coming down, so you should definitely have your stop loss somewhere here because so this is your immediate resistance. Just to have a little buffer, I have kept over the day's high. So if you have shorted it here somewhere in 15,828.88 on the futures, or if you have taken 15,250 put option, or maybe if you have taken 15,300 call option and shorted it, even that's a good idea. So if you have shorted in futures, I think so. This is the bottom where you could have exited somewhere here. So that's a decent profit. So that's again like almost like 80, 84, and then a low of 100 points. So it's almost 100 points on index Nifty. 100 points on in Nifty is a very big move. So similarly, it works great with Bank Nifty too. So just to check, uh, first candle low, it has taken. I think maybe you could have bought it here because there is a U-turn here, and then it went up. So you could have bought here, and then you could have exited here. you could have exited somewhere here because this is where I think the U-turn has taken in the money flow index. So then it started making lower lows. So once if you see the money flow index is at the bottom, but whereas price is at the high. So when it made this lower high, that's when I think you can short. When it takes a U-turn here, and you see a red candle, maybe you could have shorted somewhere here, and then it started making lower lows, lower highs. So once again, it takes a U-turn here. I think you would have exited here. So which is like 37,370 to 36,922. It's almost like 800 points. 800 points again is a good move. So this is the strategy just by seeing we do not have any VWAP, we do not have any RSI here, we do not have any stochastics, we do not have any pivots here. So just by seeing how the money is flowing in the market, we are taking the trade and then we are getting profit. This is a purely risk-free strategy. It works on all time frames, it works on all assets. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this and also share this video. Thank you.